Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill I could pop for this love pain? Anybody got a... Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Mix Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be planning in my social media planner. This is the Neutral Nude VBPlanner Planner for 2022. This is a brand new product that Tiffany released this year. It's been a long process in the making, but it is finally here. I use this for my social media planner. I love the layout. I love the amount of space it has for me to add different elements to my spread. So this week I'm going to be planning for March 7th through March 13th. So I'm going to go ahead and take these pages off of the disc. And I have decided to use my Duchess stickers. This is the sticker book and the washi from the Duchess VB kit. So this is what I'm going to use this week. So I'll go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back.
All right, everyone. I am going to stop right there. I got a little indecisive at the end, but yeah, I think I'm going to stop right there. So let's go ahead and put these back on the disc. All right, so let's see what it looks like. All right, so there we have it. I think it turned out pretty well. I like it. I love this Duchess kit. I love the colors in it. And I think the washi is just my absolute favorite part. So let me go ahead and pull my pens. I think I'm going to use, let's see. Yeah, okay, so I have Pearls and Lace. I'm going to use that one this week, along with, I think, Cameo. I think she's pretty. So, Cameo is going to go with this one. Do I want to pull another one just in case? No, I think I'll leave it like that. All right, so that's it. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.